If you are having trouble where your taskbar disappears mysteriously and not sure how to fix it, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can fix a Windows taskbar that has mysteriously disappeared. We'll go through step-by-step process, so watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. Step 1. Restart your PC. A disappearing taskbar can be caused by things like an enabled auto-hide feature, incorrect display settings, or corrupt system files. As with many minor computer issues, the first step is simply to restart your PC. Since the taskbar is missing, use keyboard shortcuts like Alt F4 to open the shutdown dialog. Then select Restart. Step 2. Check Auto Hide taskbar settings. Sometimes the taskbar might disappear if the Auto Hide feature is enabled. To disable this, select Taskbar Settings and click on Taskbar Behaviors. Ensure that Automatically Hide the taskbar is unchecked. Step 3. Adjust display settings. Incorrect display resolution settings can also cause the taskbar to vanish. In the settings, navigate to System, Display, and adjust your settings resolution to the recommended settings under Scale and Layout. This can help restore the taskbar's visibility if it's a display-related issue. Step 4. Restart Windows Explorer. If none of the above steps work, the issue might be due to a crash in Windows Explorer, which is explorer.exe, which controls elements like taskbar and start menu. Open the taskbar and search for Windows Explorer. Right-click and select Restart. This often resolves the issue. Alternatively, if restarting doesn't work for Windows Explorer in Task Manager, then select Run New Task. Type explorer.exe and hit OK. Step 5. Fix corrupted system files. If you are still having issues, it could be due to corrupted Windows system files. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R. Then type cmd, and then run command prompt as an administrator. Type scf/scan now and press enter. This scans and repairs any corrupted system files which may be causing the issue. So these are some methods to try if your taskbar has disappeared. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.